Dry and peeling lips are very discomforting. The best way to prevent this problem is by hydrating and nourishing your lips. The skin on the lips is much thinner and more delicate than that on any other parts of the body. Our lips lose their moisture due to harsh weather conditions, smoking, vitamin deficiency, allergic reactions, excessive licking of lips, and a lot of times dehydration. In this video, we share a home remedy that can help soothe your chapped lips.
Hello guys, welcome back on the Foodie. I'm Daisy. Nobody likes to have dry and chapped lips. Your lips add to your personality and make your look even more beautiful. But from time to time, you may have noticed that your lips become dry and you start peeling the skin on your lips. But do not worry, I will tell you how to make your lips smooth and soft.
All you need is 5 to 6 rose petals and 1/4 cup of raw milk. Soak the petals in milk for 2 to 3 hours. Gently mash the petals in the milk to get a paste-like consistency. Apply this paste on your lips.
Keep it on for 20 minutes.
Rinse it off with cold water.